In the year 2050, the town of Neo Haven stood as a beacon of innovation and prosperity. Its streets, lined with gleaming buildings, were a testament to the marvels of AI integration. Sammy, a wise man known as Ho-Com, often shared tales of this transformation with visitors. AI is the lifeblood of Neo Haven, Sammy would begin, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. From dawn till dusk, AI touches every aspect of our lives. He spoke of intelligent drones that delivered goods within minutes, eliminating the need for traditional stores. Medical AI predicted illnesses before symptoms appeared, ensuring everyone stayed healthy and active. Education, too, had been revolutionized. Personalized AI tutors adapted to each student's learning style, making education more effective and enjoyable. In the fields, autonomous farming robots worked tirelessly, ensuring bountiful harvests with minimal human intervention. But the real magic, Sammy emphasized, lies in how AI fosters community spirit. He described AI-powered forums where citizens collaboratively solved local issues and virtual reality community centers where people gathered, regardless of physical distance. AI doesn't just make life easier. It brings us closer together, Sammy would say with a smile. To follow Neo Haven's path, embrace AI not as a tool, but as a partner in progress.